Today I'm organizing baby boy's dresser. I'm gonna start with his clothes. We're gonna cut off all of the tags, throw them in the washer, and then sort them by size. Why do they put so many dang tags on these things? We get it. Look at these precious little Jesus sandals. I got Kenzie and her brother. I almost keep slipping and saying his name. I cannot wait to see them in this matching set. I think this would be perfect for family pictures. I'm also gonna do a load of all of his swaddles, blankets, and burp cloths. Everything is washed and put into piles by size. Now let's put them into the drawers. Unfortunately, this is what his drawer looks like currently, so let's get them cleared out. I still need to order his changing pad, which is gonna go on top of his drawer, but for now I'm just gonna clear everything off. Everyone needs a label maker. We got ours at Costco for really inexpensive, and they just are so satisfying. Don't worry, I flipped it around because the Honest was upside down. I still have so many little baby essential items I still need to get, but I'm gonna store all of his health-related items in here. I've only accomplished one drawer so far. It feels like it's taken me forever. I'm gonna do a part 2, so go check it out.